Hello, team members. It's a big day here at Team MK. I can finally answer the questions you've been asking. Today, Wednesday, May 31st, I can officially announce that Team MK will produce an all-new battery electric vehicle starting late 2025. While the name of the vehicle has not yet been decided, I can tell you this model will be a 3-row SUV. And along with building this battery electric SUV, we'll be assembling the battery packs here with the lithium-ion battery modules coming from our newest sister plant in North Carolina. The new vehicle, along with the battery pack, will bring approximately a vehicle in 2025. It's a proud moment that we at Team MK can announce this additional first. We're the first wholly owned Toyota facility in North America to produce vehicles. And now, we'll be the first Toyota facility in the United States to build a battery electric vehicle. And to make it even more exciting, we are partnering with Toyota's newest plant in North Carolina. This new vehicle will be produced on line 1. However, our Team MK team can compete. This transformation does not happen overnight, but it has been well worth the wait. Since I came to Team MK in 2017, I've seen firsthand over and over the hard work and dedication this team gives to every new and challenging project. I have full confidence you will do it again as Team MK leads the way, leads that charge for battery electric vehicle production in North America region. As our 2023 Hoshin states,